I'm Sophia and today I'm going to be showing you how to become a supplier on our website. So, first of all, you're going to click onto our website, StayPlanet.com. You're going to then scroll down to the very bottom of our webpage. Click on Supplier Sign Up. You'll be brought straight to this page where you can see you can add your business. It's an easy registration process. Sign up, get verified and gain access. So submit your business now and it brings you back up to the page where you can choose a hotel or activity to add. Fill in your hotel name, your email address, your location and password and click register. We will then send you a verification email. Once you've received that, you can click on to extranet login, fill in your email address and password provided, and you will gain access to the list of hotels and rooms. You can add your hotels here and edit them, name your hotel, enable your hotel, and click submit. Your hotel will then be added to our site. You can also add rooms. You can choose your room and your room description. From there you can add the price of the room, and how many of these rooms are provided in the hotel. You can fill in these extra details also. And click submit. And you'll see your room and your hotel has been added to our site. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.